Welcome back, future orthodontists. Today we discuss removable appliances, versatile tools for interceptive and minor orthodontic corrections. Removable appliances are orthodontic devices that can be inserted and removed by the patient, used to correct minor tooth movements or guide growth. Remember the mnemonic PCP, patient can place. Types include active appliances, which move teeth using springs or screws. Passive appliances, which retain teeth or maintain space. And functional appliances, which modify jaw growth. Mnemonic APF, active, passive, functional. Choice depends on the treatment goal and patient age. Indications include minor tooth tipping, cross-bite correction, space maintenance, guiding eruption of teeth, and habit correction. Mnemonic TCSGH, tipping, crossbite, space, guiding eruption, habit. Advantages include being easy to clean, removable for eating or hygiene, less invasive than fixed appliances, and versatile for minor corrections. Mnemonic ERLV, easy, removable, less invasive, versatile. Clinical tips: FWMA, fit, wear, monitor, adjust. To summarize, removable appliances essentials are definition, PCP, patient can place, types, APF, active, passive, functional, indications, TCSGH, tipping, crossbite, space, guiding eruption, habit. Advantages, ERLV, easy, removable, less invasive, versatile. Clinical tips, FWMA, fit, wear, monitor, adjust. Quiz time! Question 1. What does PCP stand for? Question 2. Types mnemonic. Question 3. Indications mnemonic. Question 4. Advantages mnemonic. Excellent! You now understand removable appliances, their types, indications, advantages, and clinical tips. Next video, fixed appliances.